You might remember that projects with similar tasks might be published in different categories and specializations. So, the best idea to avoid missing out on important projects is to search for them through keywords or phrases. Type in the name of your service tools or technologies in the search. You can find a huge variety of projects from different categories. At the same time, basic filters help you to discard irrelevant projects. However, Upwork has a more professional instrument in the form of advanced search. It helps you filter your search results more precisely when looking for a certain phrase or keyword in a title to find projects with certain skills you need, and so on. To do this, click on Jobs from the drop-down menu and start searching as we did previously. But this time, after appearing on a new page, don't add any filter or keywords. Just click on the Advanced Search button under the search field. In a new window, let's fill in all the conditions we need. For example, in the All of these words field, type logo. This means that every result will include this word. Below, in the Any of these words section, let's type, for example, Adobe Illustrator and Figma. This means that every result will contain one of those words, or both of them. Next, imagine that I don't know how to use Photoshop, so I type this word to exclude it. That's it, let's click Search. Now you see the results which contain a logo, Figma or Illustrator and don't include Photoshop. Really fast and convenient. However, it still might not show the projects you are looking for. In this case, try to change the conditions and add basic filters. It is impossible to create one-size filters that completely covers your needs. However, creating new filters every time you look for relevant projects is also frustrating. The perfect solution to automate these processes is to save search requests. To do this, click the Save Search button, create its name, and press Save one more time. After that, your search will appear on your dashboard. My congratulations! Now, instead of hundreds of thousands of projects available on Upwork with filtration, you will only see the relevant ones.